So my name is Christopher Wisehart. I was a physics major here at CSUB, and then I graduated with my bachelor's degree in physics. I'm currently the instructional support technician for the physics and engineering department at Cal State University of Bakersfield. As I was going through my undergraduate degree at Cal State University of Bakersfield, I was taking classes, and I think one of the great things about that was that they were such small class sizes. So there was a lot of room for me to really get in depth with the professors about this certain topic or that topic. And then I think that really naturally transitioned to being able to do research with these professors. So I think I was very fortunate in my undergraduate degree to have research with two different faculty, both experimental and theoretical. And I think both of those really played a big part in my now career in the theoretical, because that really allowed me to sort of get down to the nitty-gritty with the professor, figuring out, get to the details on stuff. And really he kind of trained me in such a great way to sort of how to think through these things. Then as I was doing experimental research, that really taught me a lot of the process of what's the proper lab safety protocols, what's the proper way we should go about this, how do we keep track of our records, how do we then do our experiments in such a way that we're being efficient. I think getting involved in research early was probably the best thing for me. It allowed me so many opportunities. One of the things that I often think back to is how lucky I was that when I was doing research with the faculty, and I have this PhD in physics literally tutoring me to get me up to speed on the research that we were doing, and how great that was for my understanding, and how really that shot me to the next level. And I think I still think about how amazing that was for my career, and also just for my understanding of the topics. So I really think, all of those things, whether it was like the research opportunities, whether it was getting one-on-one in touch with faculty, I think all of these things really played their own part into furthering my career. And I think I really have a lot to thank Cal State University of Bakersfield for that.